Nag-iisip ka pa ba kung Expander Cross ang bibilin mo or Expander GLS? Panoorin mo tong video ko. And ayun guys, no, yung gulong nito is 17-inch. So, si GLS is elegant tignan. Also, brusco kay Cross. While dito naman, no, sa kulay ng ating Cross is two-tone po. Color white, pinaka-taas niya is black po. While dito sa GLS is one color lang, guys. So, pareha sila, may turning light. Ayan. Also, may 360. Keyless operating system. And also, meron siyang design dito sa Expander Cross na wala kay GLS. And dito naman, no, sa Expander Cross natin is may fender, while sa GLS is wala po. So, dito naman tayo sa likod ng ating GLS and Expander Cross. Parehas naman sila, no, guys, na may spoiler. Rear headlamps. LED po yan, guys. Also, syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating emblem. Expander Cross din, may emblem din po. And mayroon siyang camera. Ang pinagkaiba nila, guys, is yung rear bumper. Si GLS kasi, guys, is elegant tignan. While si Cross, syempre, is brusco. So, ayun guys, no, tapos na tayo sa exterior. Ngayon, tara, silipin natin ang interior. So, ayun guys, no, nandito tayo sa interior ni Expander Cross. Ang pinagkaiba ni Expander Cross sa GLS, si Expander Cross is naka-synthetic leather seat. Ayan guys, bali, powered by steering wheel. Also, meron ditong controls and adaptive cruise control, push start, SDA, aircon, parking brake, auto hold, and automatic transmission. 2 cup holder. Ayan guys. So dito naman tayo sa likod guys. So second row guys, no, aircon, 2/4, syempre synthetic leather. Also, kaya ito 7-seater dahil merong upuan sa likod, guys. So, ayun guys, no. So, dito naman tayo kay GLS. Tara. Dito naman tayo kay Expander GLS, guys, no. So, yung fabric leather seat, powered by electric steering wheel, control, cruise control, digital meter cluster, SDA, aircon, push start button, automatic transmission, electronic parking brake, auto hold, 2 cup holder, and armrest. So, sa second row naman guys, no, aircon, 2/4, syempre fabric seat, and dahil 7-seater na to guys, nandito ang ating 2 seats. So, ayan guys, si Expander GLS. So, ayan guys, no, sa mga nagtatanong kung magkano ang down payment na Expander Cross and Expander GLS, si GLS guys, no, ang down payment niya is 10,000. So, with 20k worth of freebies. While sa Expander Cross is 0 down payment with 20k freebies. So, gusto mag-apply, OFW, seaman, employed, or kahit may business ka, ito lang ang requirements mo. So, once again, I'm Daniel Susito from Mitsubishi Abad Santos. So, ano pang inaantay mo? I-release na natin ang pangarap na sasakyan mo.